together and my dear students, hearty welcome to differential equations class. We have come to the complete solutions of the differential equations. Okay, so higher order differential equations with constant coefficients. So from here onwards, we are going to find the complete solutions of the given differential equations. Problem number 13. Solve d square minus 5d plus 6 operating on y equal to x e power 4x. So this is of the form f d of y equal to q. What is f of d? D square minus 5d plus 6. So first of all, we are going to find the complementary function. How to find the complementary function? Consider the auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. That means f square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. Quite obvious, it can be easily solved. 5m square minus 3m minus 2m plus 6 equal to 0. From the first two, we can take m common, m into m minus 3 minus 2 into m minus 3 equal to 0. So m minus 2 into m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 2 and m equal to 3. You got two solutions. Therefore, the complementary function of 1 is given by c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 2x. Now we are going to find the particular integral or particular yp equal to particular integral of 1 by d square minus 5d plus x operating on x into e power 4x. Now this can be written as the product of two factors d minus 2 into d minus 3. And we can easily see that how we can write 1 by d minus 3 minus 1 by d minus 2. I hope all of you know about how to split this, how to write this. Because these are the linear factors, so what we can do, we can write that as 1 by d minus 2. Here simply I am writing 1 by d minus 2 into d minus 3 as that is equal to a by d minus 2 plus b by d minus 3. Therefore, automatically 1 becomes a into d minus 3 plus b into d minus 2. And find out the constants capital A and capital B. By comparing put d equal to 3, a will be cancelled. Therefore, 3 minus 2 means 1. So we get 3 minus 2 1. So b equal to 1. So a by, so 1 by d minus 3. This is the b value. Therefore, we can solving, we can see b equal to 1. Put d equal to 2 here. 2 minus 2, b gets cancelled. We get 2 minus 3 means minus a. Minus a is equal to 1. Therefore, a equal to what? Minus 1. So we got 1 by d minus 3 minus 1 by d minus 2 operating on x equal to 4x. So we can split now there's a two integrals. 1 by d minus 3 operating on x equal to 4x minus 1 by d minus 2 operating on x e power 4x. Now we know the formula 1 by d minus 3 operating on q equal to what? E power ax into integral q into e power minus ax. When you compare this with this, a equal to 3 and q is nothing but x equal to 4x. And in this particular case, a is equal to 2 and q is equal to x equal to 4x. So what's the answer? E power ax, e power 3x integral q x equal to 4x into e power minus ax, e power minus 3x dx minus on the second factor e power 2x divided into integral x into e power 4x is the q into e power minus ax, that is minus 2x dx. E power 3x into integral x e power x dx minus, we are getting e power 2x into integral x e power plus 4x minus 2x, that becomes what? E power 2x dx. So once again we are having the product of two functions. We have to express that as a u dv. So we can write u equal to what? X. V equal to, we can write here. Again, we can write x equal to u equal to x and dv equal to e power to x dx. Therefore, dv equal to dx and dv becomes e power to x by using the formula u dv equal to u dv equal to uv minus integral v dv. So that is nothing but e power to x. As it is, we have taken u into v. What is u? X. Okay, directly we have written because x e power x is an integral, standard integral, even in the previous problem also we have taken directly. Otherwise, you with this formula, once again you calculate. This value is nothing but e power x into x minus 1. So now we apply this formula for the second one. Minus e power x into uv. What is v? uv x into e power x by 2 uv minus integral v e power x by 2 into dv, that is dx. So e power 3x into e power x into x minus 1 minus e power 2x. This is x e power 2x by 2 and integral of e power 2x, that is e power 2x by 2. Already 1 2 is there, 2 into 2, that becomes 4. So multiplying e power 4x into x minus 1 minus x by 2 into e power 2x into e power 2x, again e power 4x, minus into minus plus e power 2x into e power 2x, that is also e power 4x by 4. So everywhere e power 4x is common, I have taken e power 4x common and 4 is taken common. So 4 into 4x minus 4 minus 2x plus 1. That becomes 4x minus 2x means 2x minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So the complete solution is given by y equal to yc plus y2. So we have got yp here and previously we have calculated yc there. So what is y? Y is equal to, that is c1 e power 2x